Our Himalayan yak cheese natural dog chews are made by the community farmers in the foothills of the Himalayas. These smoked hard cheese treats are packed with more than 60% digestible protein and less than 2% fat, and is perfect for encouraging healthy chewing behavior of your dogs. These are the longest-lasting edible chews on the market, and they're 2 treats in 1. Once your dog has worn down the treat and it's too small to chew, you can pop it in the microwave to convert it into a delicious crunchy cheese puff. Not every Himalayan yak chews are the same. Our chews are produced in small batches by Himalayan farmers and quality checked by experts prior to packaging to ensure that they don't get splintered or molded and delivered to your door unbroken. These cheese treats don't stain the carpet, floor, or furniture either. They have a long-lasting shelf life and are available in multiple sizes for your specific dog's needs. We take great pride in our products and service, and our customers agree. Kathmandu's Natural Dog Chew. Let your dog experience the difference. www.naturaldogchew.com